Given that investors are so certain of a rate cut, do you risk maybe a redux of the taper tantrum if you don't ratify what they do?
So I think the one thing you've heard me say before, market expectations can change on a dime. And I don't think my job is to satisfy the markets. It is to figure out whether we've got the right policy setting, particularly a setting that fosters economic growth. Also, other part of my job, by the way, is to call out it's not just monetary policy that has been a cause of this slowdown, and more than monetary policy is going to be needed if we're going to grow faster. And I'm talking about growing the workforce, improving trade and de-escalating trade tensions, and also other moves on education, skills training, and other things that would increase our ability to grow.
The minutes of your September meeting show a discussion about whether to put something in the statement or publicly suggest when you would end this cutting cycle. Do we get something like that?
I'm not necessarily sure that that's appropriate. I think when you start hearing people like me and others say, I'm agnostic about whether we move from here, that would tell you that if nothing changes, we're going to stay where we are. But I think we've got so much uncertainty and so much policy uncertainty. I think it would be wise for us not to over-telegraph where we are in the cycle. I have said, though, that I thought that this cutting we're doing should be limited, restrained, and modest, and not the start of a full-fledged cutting cycle. I still believe that.